Warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be sharing you my favorite all-time breakfast. So I really love smoothie bowls. So today I'm going to be doing a chocolate smoothie bowl for you. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Before we go, request you to please subscribe the channel and hit that bell button. Let's go and see the recipe. Let's see the recipe. So here we have one frozen banana. So I have peeled the banana, chopped it up and kept in the freezer overnight. There you go, that's one whole banana. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder. Then I have half cup of coconut milk. Then we have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can also opt for any other nut butter. Like you can go in for an almond butter, walnut or cashew butter. So this is unsweetened peanut butter. That's 2 tablespoons. And lastly, I'm going to add now stevia powder. That's half a teaspoon of stevia powder. And now we are going to blend the same. And our chocolate smoothie bowl is ready. And now we're going to top it up with some bananas. So our chocolate smoothie bowl is ready. It's an excellent option post your workout because it is rich in electrolytes. That means it gives you a good amount of energy post your training. Also, it helps you to reduce fatigue. So it's an excellent option for your breakfast. There you go, a smoothie bowl.